Enrique Gil, born March 30th, 1992, is a Filipino actor and dancer. Gil has appeared in various films and television shows in the Philippines such as Mula Sa Puso, Budoy, Princess and I, Muling Buksan Ang Puso, and She's the One. He gained wider recognition for his role as Alexander Grande III in the television series Forevermore in 2014, alongside Liza Soberano. Gil has since starred in blockbuster films such as Just the Way You Are, Every Day I Love You, Duke It, My Ex and Wise, 7 Sundays and Alone, Together, and hit television series Dulce Amor, Bagani, and Make It With You. He has received various accolades, including a FAMAS Award and 6 Box Office Entertainment Awards. In 2024, Gil ventured into co-producing films, which were I Am Not Big Bird and Strange Frequencies, Taiwan Killer Hospital, respectively. Enrique Gil was born on March 30th, 1992, in Cebu City, Philippines. He is the second son of Enrique Amadeo Gil III and Barbara Enrique. He has an older brother named Enrique Javier IV and a younger sister named Diandra Francis. His parents used to work as flight crew for Philippine Airlines. Gil is a relative of actor Dingdong Dantes. Gil finished grade school at the Montessori de Manila in March 2004, a private institute inside the BF Executive Village in Las Piñas, and secondary school at the Manresa School in Parañaque in March 2008. He went to San Beda College, Alabang to pursue a degree in information technology, but put his studies on hold to focus on his acting career. In 2016, he started attending a business management program at the Southville International School in BF International, Las Piñas. In 2015, Gil, alongside the cast of Forevermore, participated in Hoops for Hope, a charity basketball game, a project organized by the Bakita Kanasa Foundation to sustain the construction of houses for the Yolanda victims at Burgi, but Salcedo, Eastern Samar. In July 2021, Gil and Soberano held a virtual fan meet to raise funds for Save the Children, a non-profit organization that advocates for children's rights and provides support for children in need. In January 2022, Gil shared on his Instagram story that he sold one of his house projects in BF Homes Parañaque through his real estate development business, Gil Side Homes. Gil revealed that he has been into buying and selling of houses with his mother, Barbara Enrique. In July 2023, the film I Am Not Big Bird was announced as the first project of Immerse Entertainment, later renamed as Slingshot Studios, a production company that co-produces films and events where Gil holds the position of Chief Executive Officer CEO. Gil was also named Chief Marketing Officer and new investor of Ticket to Me, a digital ticketing business and video platform for online and offline events. In March 2025, Gil's Slingshot Studios sealed a multi-film contract deal with McQuest Ventures, the content creation unit of Mediac West Holdings. Gil dated his Good Vibes co-star Colleen Garcia from 2010 to 2011. In February 2019, he and his frequent on-screen partner Liza Soberano publicly confirmed they had been a couple since October 24, 2014. Gil and Soberano ended their relationship -1 year later in October 2022. However, it was only Soberano who confirmed the breakup in an unreleased interview in March 2023. In August 2025, Soberano confirmed that their relationship had ended during an episode of the podcast documentary Can I Come In? By filmmaker Sarah Baba. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.